Hello, all my friends. Hello, everyone. Today, first working day, September, September the 1st, first working day. This afternoon, Baker from our factory at our factory workshop to give you half-hour introduction about our machine, our solution, and our advantages. Firstly, let me introduce myself. This is my basic information. This is my basic information. Our brand, Guangjin Spring Machine, plant, factory, CNC, spring machine manufacturer. Our factory, Guangjin Spring Machine, all our machine, CNC type, automatic, CNC, automatic, and factory in Dongguan City, founded year 2005. So we have experienced over 20 years experience for the CNC spring cutting machine, spring forming machine. And this is my fast direct contact way for the WeChat, for the WhatsApp and the WeChat. Country code. We are in Dongguan, South China, close to touching Guangzhou, Shenzhen, and very close to Hong Kong. So our factory for the clients come to our factory for the training, mostly by the load of a lift. Firstly, a lift, Guangzhou International Airport, then go to our factory, make a taxi ride just within 75 kilometers from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport. This is my first choice for direct contact. And for more videos, please, you can visit, you can check every video for this, my radio bank, youtube.com/@bakerliu6338. So Facebook for my daily business activities. This is my basic information. We are middle-sized CNC spring machine manufacturer. Middle-sized with over 20 years experience, with total staff 23%. Middle-sized. So this is my basic information, contact information for the first way. You can, if you are planning for the coming soon, to send inquiry or planning to visit, to sourcing, to looking for the qualified supplier on CNC, spring cutting machine, spring forming machine. Please take a picture list, a screen snap on this, then add my WhatsApp and my WeChat. This is one of example, the nameplate fixed on the work panel before, or fixed on the chassis or on the work panel before it's going export packing. This is a nameplate with all the key information about this machine. The machine Huanan, our trademark, we using our trademark to all the sales for the domestic, for the export sales. Over the 20 years, our machine had reached countries and regions, over 32 countries and regions. This is a nameplate example with the basic information, trademark, machine Huanan, machine full name, model number, and the input voltage usually goes our China standard industrial voltage 380 voltage alternative current, or according to your local standard. We can do the customize according to your local standard. The total power, the machine total net weight. This is a core information. The total power, the producing date, and the made in China. So this nameplate contain all the key information about our machine. This is the main machine, and this one for the wire decoil, for the wire feeder. This for wire feeder. This for the main machine. So next, I'll show you one by one for our machine. Firstly, the big three group of our machine. Big three group. Can type spring forming machine. Can based spring forming machine. In the mid, can based spring forming machine. And this first one, this one, CNC spring quality machine, also called compression spring machine. The small size will sometimes with torsion function for the side loop. And this heavy duty cameras with wire rotary spring forming machine. Also attach examples, particular or standard examples at the bottom aside for this page telling three big group of our machine sellers. The first series, this cameras spring forming machine, three models showcase, three models showing on this paper. Two of them cameras no wire rotary for a small wire task from 0.2 max to 4 millimeter. And the number 3, number 4 for a bigger wire task from 0.5 max to 8 millimeter. For more complicated, the bigger wire and the more complicated, we will suggest our client using the cameras with wire rotary, and these two usually are 10 to 12 axes, and this with wire rotary usually 12 to 14 axes. And the basis different tasks for spring, for wire bending, for wire forming tasks. So if you or your friends have the similar task or same task, this exactly we can provide you the professional solution. Once again, we are CNC machine manufacturer professional, over 20 years experience in CNC, spring forming machine, spring coiling machine. Here's the basic model to every of the group, the basic models. So each model are the most cheap, the most cheap one to every sellers. These 3 axes, 10 axes, and 2 axes, 2 axis compression, cameras 11 10 axes. And this page telling the cam base with wire rotary, the cam base with wire rotary. Price competitive, also with ability to handling the complicated wire bending or wire forming products. For example, also like the agriculture, leg tie, leg teeth, agriculture, leg tie, leg teeth, extension springs, wire forming products, regular pro spring or irregular short leg torsion spring, and wire bending products. These 6 models can base. First line, the upper line, cam base without wire rotary, and the baseline with wire rotary, cam base with wire rotary. Okay, move next. This one is a special, is one of the special solution. This chemistry spring forming machine with the special programming, special tools, and special equipment to bending the conveyor belt, chocolate coating. Take a close look at various type of wire mesh, spiral wire mesh, conveyor belt, single loop or double loop conveyor belt, or I-link belt.
你这样直播的话，我建议你哦，你再搞个手机把它录下来，然后你可以上传到网上。
我这个自动录的。
自动录的是吧？
对啊，它会放嘛。
对啊，然后到时候你可以掐成很多段，然后拿到那个网上去啊。
哦，可以啊。
这样子的话，你就一条直播，你可以把它拆成10个、100个，那样子覆盖量就很大，知道吗？
哦，可以。This is one of our special solution. This is one of our special solution for the honeycomb, for the horse jaw, for the honeycomb, for the horse jaw. The whole set machine, including the 3 main parts, the wire decal, the main machine, and the hydraulic power station for the flat strip, honeycomb, horse jaw, honeycomb, horse jaw, with advantage, heavy loading, anti-slide. Here's the key parameters with telling its ability for a stainless steel flat strip at wide range 8 to 15 millimeter, thickness 0. Mostly thickness at 1.2 to 1.6 as max minimum. Here's the details. 3 main parts. Once A and B and C, it goes for the flat strip honeycomb. Anti-slide, heavy loaded. food procession, widely used in food procession. And if only A and B goes for the long wire conveyor belt chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling chain. So here's 3 models available for different tasks, different wire thickness. 3 models telling for different ability from wire, for the wire from 0.4 max to 4 millimeter. In the mid, this model max for 4 millimeter. These are widely used in chocolate coating, chocolate enrolling, biscuit, bread roasting, snacks and candies, bread roast. So every of land in this paper, we can provide you the professional solution for automatic. All of land, every of land from 1 to 5. Here's the details telling the types for every types: conveyor belt, spiral mesh, I-link, as well. We have this one, the whole set machine, including main machine, wire decoil, and high frequent induction heating equipment. High frequent induction heating furnace heating instrument for a spiral spring, constant force, wind up spring, mass producing. Constant force spring are widely used in like car seat self belt, tape measure, mechanical watch, agriculture, snow blower, or mower for a wind up starter. So let me show you something of a special and showcase special. We provide a solution. We have a machine only in high speed producing the very size, very outer diameter of the pipe clip or hose clamp. From this one inside diameter, this pipe diameter 63 millimeter, and this one 160 millimeter. Our machine to producing the clip, this clip clamp at least 12 to 20 pieces per minute. 12 to 20 pieces per minute. So this clip and the clamp are widely used in 3 main fields: for the petroleum, for the crude oil, and for construction or underground pipe networks. Also for agriculture, the grapeland, water irrigation system. Also for the greenhouse, the pipe networks as one of the main parts for pipe fastening system. This pipe clamp, we have a machine mass producing land at least 12 to 20 pieces per minute. Secondly, show you this one and this one. Agriculture, lake time, lake teeth. Agriculture, lake time, lake teeth. For harvester, for strawberry, using many clients by our chemist spring forming machine with chemist wire rotary spring forming machine to make agriculture lake time lake teeth. For a while, mostly 4 to 8 millimeter carbon steel. We ask many countries for the machines chemicals with wire rotary for agriculture, lake time, lake teeth. For the countries also like Poland, South Africa, Belarus, Russia, Turkey, Australia, Brazil, Argentina, Mexico, and also the North China. And this is suspension, anti-vibration spring. Suspension, anti-vibration spring. This one using in the high jump, sports high jump cushion matches, or using in furniture as sofa. And this one, suspension, anti-vibration, using in the light type vehicles, private car, or electric scooter, sports bike, mountain bike, electric scooter. For the front rear, front fork, or rear tire. Suspension, anti-vibration, using in very type vehicles, trucks, for different wire thickness. This also using in automobile industry for vehicles. This use as brake spring, 6 millimeter, 2-period tight loops, extension, pro spring, 6 millimeter carbon steel. The constant force spring, wind up spring, spider spring. Close at the details. The extension pro spring. This is the in different style. British style or German style, center hook or side hook. Listen, this one using as the chaplain. Using in chaplain or widely used in many type of cars. And this double loops in the center. Carbon steel. Compression spring. We have different compression spring. We have provide full range solution for very type of compression spring. This one, regular column. The conic, tower shape, the barrel shape, the spiral, and this irregular. This one in the hand, the sample using in automatic beverage selling machine. Automatic beverage selling machine. This flat strip lists the material high electric resistance. This part using for the heating purpose in the cold region, cold countries during winter with high electric resistance for the heating purpose. As well, the irregular wire forming, wire bending products. Irregular wire forming, wire bending products in one stop to make it one stop by our machine. No need additional stop, no need additional step to bend it in one stop directly. Wire forming products. Wire forming products. This one, wire forming products. We call it the tea cup holder. Tea cup holder.